Hello, friends. I hope everyone is staying well. Thanks for all the love and the response feedback for our previous video on option writing plan for 20th May expiry. So another series I am planning to start on this channel is the like analyzing technical charts of the stocks which are looking good for investment and what's our analysis behind it. I will be sharing in this video. Apart from this, I will be sharing the Nifty analysis also, a small part of it, because currently I'm sharing the entire market analysis on our own website, on our blogs, so one can check that. I will be adding it in the description section, so one can check the analysis for the next week also. So let's go on this chart and let's see what Nifty chart is depicting. So basically, Nifty is stuck in this particular range, in this particular triangle, and now, like with this, as this range is getting narrower, we can expect anything like breakout above this resistance or a breakdown below this support also. And after this breakout or breakdown, we can see around 2300 points move in that particular direction. And how I arrived at 2300 points is basically I've calculated the range. So while Nifty was in this range, I have calculated the points, the between the high and the low that it had made. So this was the high, this is the low, and I have just calculated how many points it is. So as you can see that uh, so this is around 2300 points. So if we break above this resistance, this is particularly 14,950 resistance, and below this it is 14,300 support. So about this, we can see around 2,300 points move in short term itself. So apart, I have also analyzed few of the charts that are looking good currently for positional trade and investment as well. So let's discuss about some of the charts also. So one of the chart is Bata India daily time frame. So as we can see that currently this is a big candle, and after this there are smaller candles that are formed in between in this range. So this is particularly the mother candle, and these are the daughter candles, and this is a consolidation that Bata had, and last Friday it had given the breakout about this resistance, and this resistance was particularly 13,82, and we have seen a breakout with decent volumes here. And it is good for a positional trade also. So particularly look to buy in the range of 1375 to 82. Stop loss would be 1330 and target would be 1440. This is the first target that we can see. After that, we will have to check the chart and find a new target also. So we will look at this. Let's look at another chart, Chambal fertilizer. So this is particularly 3 months old resistance, and on Friday it had given a breakout with good volumes also, if you can see. So one can look to buy it in the range of 260 to 265. Stop loss would be 245, and the first target would be 325. And how I arrived at target is simple range calculation. So if I calculate the high and low range when it was in this resistance line, and if I add about this breakout, so if I will be getting 325 as the first target. If you can see, if you all see, so basically this is the first target in Chambal fertilizer. Another chart that is good is Maruti Suzuki. So this particular stock is was in a decent downtrend from the start of this year, and currently it had already given a breakout, and now it is like consolidating near this breakout region itself. It is a good opportunity to buy for a positional trade, and one can look to buy it in the range of 665 double 6650 to 6700. Stop loss would be 6450 and target would be 7600. So this target is arrived from the same logic, a high and low range calculation, and adding it above this breakout. So there are bonus stock also that. So as we all know that metals sector is in boom and all the stocks are rallying. In last week itself, we have seen some correction in metal sectors, and there are some stocks that are now retracing back to its support or resistance level and are giving opportunities to the new buyer or also to the old buyers who want to pyramid their investment or trade they have. So let's look at the first chart of the metal sector. So this is Hindustan Copper. So it had seen a decent rally from 35 to 170. Then it went in consolidation and it had formed around it bottom pattern. This is a continuation pattern, and after the breakout, the stock began its upward journey again. So it had seen a breakout itself in last week, and now it is just retracing this resistance level. So one can look to buy in the range of 165 to 171. Stop loss would be 150 and target would be 215. Again, it is calculated from the range calculation that we are doing in the last few charts, and it is good for positional trade also. And this can be the first target for this for Hind Copper. Another chart is from metal sector itself. It is Hindalco. So Hindalco was in a good rally for this. If you can say, so this was Hindalco was in a good rally, and now it had taken a support at this trend line. We can see there is a decent demand and buying pressure observed from this trend line. Also, this was a decent supply zone that it had broken, and now it had become a demand zone for this particular stock. And the same year, buying pressure is seen at the congruence of both this trend line and demand zone. And also it is looking good for and it is giving a low risk opportunity for the buyer itself, and one can look to buy it in the range of 370 to 380. Stop loss would be 355 and target would be 425. So plan your trade accordingly, and also don't risk huge capital or don't take position in derivatives. Trade in cash, trade slowly, learn and earn. Now apart from this, I have, like, if you want to do analysis like this, technical analysis, I have started a series of technical analysis on the blog on my own website, and I am currently writing blogs for the same. So we have currently curated 3 blogs. First one was on basic how to set up your chart. Second was on identifying the trend, and third was on demand and supply. Today I will be today the one more blog will be updated for support and resistance and how to trade based on this. So you can check out this blog. I will be mentioning about this technical series on the in the YouTube description itself, so one can have a look. There is also a disclaimer associated with this. So yeah, so we are not SEBI registered. So consult your financial planners and advisors before taking any trade. And so thank you. Have a nice day, and stay safe, stay home, don't move out. Take care. Thank you guys.